Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the background layer. Go to Filter, Blur, Average. Create a Color and Vibrance layer. Select the eyedropper and click on the canvas. You can hide the colored layer now. If you want, you can still adjust the temperature and tint. I'll show the same method on a different photo. First, duplicate the background layer. Average blur filter. Color and Vibrance. Eyedropper. Hide layer. And that's how you color correct photos. Check the link in the description for more Photoshop tutorials.